Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode with Veggie Life. Today I'm going to show you how to make Lehsuni Palak Paneer Western style at the convenience of your home kitchen. So let's get started. To begin with, I've taken a big wok and added about 3 tablespoons of oil. To this, we will start with adding whole garam masala. 1 black cardamom, 3 green cardamoms, 3 kebab chini and 1 bay leaf. After sauteing the dry masala, we will be adding about 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the rawness of the paste is gone, and now you can add 5 to 6 cashews. This helps make the gravy thick and rich in taste. Next, I am adding 3 medium-sized onions which I have chopped into quarters or big chunks. Now we will saute the onions and let them simmer with the lid closed for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will open the lid and add freshly chopped spinach. Here I am adding about 400 grams of spinach. Saute it for about 5 minutes and switch off the flame. Once the spinach has cooled down, let us add it to a mixer blender and blend it away to a smooth paste. Meanwhile, in the same wok that we had cooked earlier, I am adding 5 to 6 chopped pods of garlic. Now to this I'll be adding dry masala ingredients, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder followed by 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder followed by 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri Lal Mirch Powder. Now we will give these dry masalas a quick stir to keep them from burning or catching at the bottom. Once they have been blended, I am adding 3 tablespoons of oil. When we add oil to the masalas, they will release their complete flavor. Next, we will be adding the spinach paste that we had pureed earlier. Give the spinach a quick stir to blend away with the masalas. Once it has blended, you can go ahead and season it with salt as per your taste. Allow the gravy to simmer with the lid closed for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, once you open the lid, you will see that the oil has been released by the gravy. This is an indication that your Lehsuni Palak gravy is ready. At this stage, lower the heat. Now go ahead and cut the paneer into small pieces. Add it to the Lehsuni Palak gravy. Give it a final stir to blend the paneer into the gravy. Lehsuni Palak Paneer tastes best when served along with tandoori roti, naan or kulcha. To finish the dish, I have taken about 10 grams of Kasuri Methi. Take the Kasuri Methi and rub it between your palms and drop the residue into the gravy. Give it a final stir and now your Lehsuni Palak Paneer is ready to be served. Garnish it with some fresh cream and serve it along with tandoori roti, naan or kulchas by the side. Do try this recipe the next time you buy palak or spinach from your local market and let me know how you like it in the comment section below. Until then, like, share and subscribe at Veggie Life. Bye!